Hey everyone, this is Euro from UPDF, and today I've got something that's changing the way we work with PDFs. AI is moving fast, and UPDF is keeping up. It now has a powerful feature that lets you chat with your documents and ask for anything. You could ask questions, create summaries, and even pull insights from images. The best part? It works across pretty much all your devices. That's Windows, Mac, online, Android, and iOS. In this video, we're diving into UPDF AI, we'll explore its features and see them in action. And if you're ready to try it out, just download UPDF or visit UPDF AI Online to start chatting with your files. The good thing is that the AI feature is already integrated into the Windows and macOS UPDF 2.0 app. No need to install anything extra. You could directly access it to chat with your PDF, ask the AI anything, or even chat with images to pull out text and insights. Let's see how it works. You could ask the PDF anything after uploading. So let's open UPDF 2.0 on your desktop. Click Open File and select and upload the PDF that you want to ask questions about. After the PDF file is open in UPDF, click the AI icon in the top right corner. Then select the language that you want UPDF to respond to you in. Then click Chat with PDF. You could drag the side of the AI window to make the operation window bigger. Here, I make it to the largest to show the guide for you. UPDF will analyze the PDF. Once it is completed, you can enter your question and ask anything related to it. For example, I ask, what is Earth's magnetic field? As I can't understand this content in the PDF. There's no need to walk through the whole PDF. UPDF AI can extract the important details and create a summary of your PDF. You can do it using various methods. Let's explore them. The first method is to summarize the whole PDF. After opening your PDF in UPDF, simply click the AI icon in the top right corner. Then, in Ask PDF mode, select the language and click Chat with PDF. UPDF AI will automatically create a summary of your whole PDF file. If you want to summarize one or every page, you can click the Summarize button right above the prompt box. Then select the page range. Click the Summarize button and UPDF will create a summary of the selected pages. You could also highlight and select the content in the PDF file and summarize directly. In the PDF reading or comment mode, select the text you want to summarize. A pop-up will appear right above the selected text. Click the drop-down button and select Summarize. UPDF AI will create a summary of the selected text. You could copy it, create a note, or regenerate it. You could also copy the content. Enter the prompt and paste the copied content to summarize. Select the text you want to translate and copy in. Then open UPDF AI in the top right-hand corner. Then go to Summarize mode from the right panel options. Paste the text here and click Send. Your summary will be generated instantly. Not only that, UPDF AI can translate your PDF content instantly, and you've got multiple ways to do it. So let's check them out. If you want to translate the whole PDF with layout keeping, you can click the AI icon in the top right corner. Then go to the PDF translation mode. Here, select the translation language. For the page range, you could select the All Pages option. Select Translation Output mode from Translated Only or Bilingual Layout. Remember, if you want to keep the layout intact, go for the Translated Only option. Once everything is selected, click the Translate button. You could also translate by pages. Switch to Ask PDF. Then click on the Translate icon. Enter the page range, for example, page 1 to page 3. Choose the target language and click on the Translate button. Also, you could select the text you want to translate. A pop-up will appear right above the selected text. Click the drop-down button, select Translate, and select the language. UPDF AI will instantly translate the selected text. You could copy it, create a note, or regenerate it. You could also select another language directly from the pop-up windows and regenerate the translation. Same as summary, you could select the text and copy it. Then go to the UPDF AI mode, open the translate option, paste the text here, select the language, and click send. UPDF AI is not just limited to summarization and translation. You could also use it to create a mind map, something more visual and easier to grasp. It helps break down complex information and see the bigger picture at a glance. Here's how to do it. In the chat panel, select Mind Map, select the page range, and click Generate. UPDF AI will generate a clear and structured mind map from your content. Once your mind map is ready, you could zoom in, zoom out, or fit to page for better viewing. Open it in your browser or copy the link to share with others. Download it as an image, markdown file, or PDF. Insert it on your UPDF homepage or embed it at the same size as your original PDF. Not sure what a paragraph or a word means? UPDF AI can explain it so you don't have to Google it or guess. There are two easy ways to do it. The first method is highlighting the confusing part in your PDF. A small menu will pop up, click the drop-down, and choose Explain. That's it. UPDF AI will give you a simple explanation right there. You could also copy any text. Open the AI panel in the top right corner, switch to Explain mode, paste the text, and hit send. Sometimes you just want to ask a question or get help with ideas without digging through your PDF. That's where Chat with AI comes in. It's like having your own assistant ready to chat anytime. Here's how to use it. First, go to the chat mode from the panel on the right. Type your question in the chat box. You could ask anything. For example, ask, "Can you explain the main benefits of using UPDF AI?" Hit send or press enter. UPDF AI will respond with a clear, helpful answer. Sometimes your PDFs include images, charts, or graphs that need explaining, or extra info. With Chat with Images, UPDF AI helps you get answers directly from your images. Here's how to get started. In the chat mode, click the Add Image icon. Choose your image file and add it to the chat. You could ask anything about it. For example, what does this image say? If you want to ask about a part of your screen quickly, click the screenshot, select the area, and it will be pasted directly into the chat box. You could ask anything about it or let UPDF AI analyze it. If you don't want to download anything, no worries. You could use UPDF AI right in your browser. To chat with a PDF, just visit the site and click Upload File to upload your file right on the homepage. It's quick and doesn't even ask you to sign in. If you want to chat with the AI directly, like asking questions or getting help, click the chatbot icon and open it. That's where you could start chatting with AI anytime. Now, let's show you the feature of Chat with PDF. UPDF AI's Chat with PDF is packed with handy features to help you work smarter with your documents. You could ask questions, summarize content, translate text, turn your PDF into a mind map, and more, all from one place. First, go to the UPDF home interface and upload your PDF file. Then, click Start Chat with PDF. Once you're inside the Chat with PDF panel, you'll see all the options ready to go. By the way, you could also change the system language or set the response language by clicking your profile icon if you want. Now, let me quickly walk you through its key features. Click Summarize right above the prompt box, select the page range, and again, click Summarize. Similarly, click Translate PDF, choose page-by-page translation, select the page range, choose the language you need, and again, click Translate. You could also find the side-by-side translation in the middle top. Click on the arrow down icon after side-by-side translation, choose the language, click on the side-by-side translation to translate the PDF with layout keeping. You could click on the download icon. Choose the downloaded translated file to save the translated PDF. UPDF AI Online can also help convert PDFs into mind maps. Just choose Mind Map, select the page range, and click Generate to turn your PDF into a zoomable, shareable, visual map. You could also ask any question in the chat box about PDF and UPDF AI will reply right away. By default, your answers come with ChatGPT 4.1, but if you want a different perspective, just enable DeepThink to get responses powered by DeepSeek. UPDF AI Online has another feature, that is Chat with Project. Lets you chat with multiple PDF files at once. You can summarize, translate, convert PDFs to mind maps, and ask questions across all your files in one place. By default, answers come from ChatGPT 4.1, but if you want, you could turn on DeepThink to get responses from DeepSeek. Go to the Chat with Project mode, click Upload Multiple Files to upload all the PDFs you want to work with. Once the files are uploaded, click the Start Chat with Project button. Now ask anything related to all the uploaded files you want. However, to chat with a specific file, click At and pick the file you want. Then ask your question related to that file, and UPDF AI will reply. Same as in the chat PDF, you could also summarize, translate, convert PDF to mind map for specific PDF files. The Chat with AI feature works just like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, letting you ask questions and get helpful answers right away. Same as other features, by default UPDF uses ChatGPT to generate responses, but if you want, you could click DeepThink to switch and get answers from DeepSeek instead. Here's how to use it. Go to the chatbot mode and do anything you want. And if you want DeepSeek to respond, just enable the DeepThink option. Now, you could ask any question. For example, I ask, what are the advantages of UPDF AI? Then UPDF AI will give me a reply in seconds. In the chatbot section, you can upload or paste any image or screenshot, then ask your questions. UPDF AI analyzes the image and gives you instant, clear answers, easy and fast. In the chatbot mode, click the image icon and upload the image. Ask anything you want. For example, what does this image say? And hit enter. UPDF AI will analyze the image and respond accordingly. UPDF AI is on Windows, Mac, and online. UPDF AI can also work on Android and iOS versions of UPDF. Just download the app from the App Store or Play Store and start chatting with your PDFs and images anytime, anywhere. The steps for the phone versions aren't much different, but that's a quick look at UPDF AI and all it can do to make working with PDFs easier and smarter. Ready to try it for yourself? Download UPDF on your device or visit UPDF AI online to start chatting with your files today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and updates.